Good morning, guys.
Good morning.
How's your sleep, Zoe?
Good.
How about you, Ken? Did you sleep well?
It's a little cold in here. Eten en slapen.
You will eat it and slapen.
Yeah.
How's your sleep?
Good.
Good. Good job. Ayan ang view namin, guys, sa umaga.
A little bit
Forest.
there.
What is it?
A little bit danger there.
Dangerous. Wow. Danger.
A little bit dangerous.
Wow. Let's go downstairs and have breakfast.
It was here down.
No, we have to go down and have our breakfast, not here upstairs.
Okay, let's go.
But
Let's
first,
another
what is that?
toilet.
What?
Wij gaan naar de another door.
Noodle door? What do you mean?
I gaan by the second door.
Second door? Oh, yeah. Klopt.
Yeah.
What do you want for breakfast, Ken?
I have to oatmeal.
You want oatmeal and
Milk.
milk. How about you, Ate Zoe? What do you want for breakfast?
Do they have a pancake?
Maybe they have pancake. Maybe. Let's see. Okay? But first, let's comb your hair. Oh my God. Let's comb our hair and...
No, just put this on and then.
Oh, okay. That's okay as well.
And then
Yeah?
you can say, Happy birthday, Mommy!
Happy birthday, ma. Extended ang birthday natin, guys.
Look, it's already.
Oh, yeah. It's okay. Actually, extended talaga ito. Birthday celebration. Walang natulog doon. Di ba sabi sa inyo? Yung kama, 3.
On.
Sabi ni Daddy, tapos doon sa 2 bata. Humiga lang sila doon, pero nakitabi naman sila sa amin. Okay lang.
Off.
Okay lang. Because Zoe wanted to be... to be... Yes, Zoe wanted to...
First, I thought if that.
What is that? First, I thought...
If I mustn't sleep here, but
And Mommy's in Daddy's bed.
yeah,
Mm-hmm.
but
It's fine.
yeah, it's fine.
It's okay. You can sleep with Mommy and Daddy.
Yeah, I didn't know that.
But it's fine.
Yeah.
We can do that. What do you want to do for today? Swim? Okay. What else?
Giant pool.
Giant pool.
I have to
Okay.
giant.
I'm not sure about that.
Pool.
What is that, Ken?
I want to small tiny pool.
Small Spider-Man pool.
Yeah.
Wow. I don't think there's one like that.
Nee, ik bedoel met de hotel met die
Oh, yeah.
and the jack and a slide.
Yes, and a slide.
And thank you for watching us videos. This is not the end of our video, Kenneth. This is not the end.
It's the start of the video.
Yeah, this is the start of the video, not the end. This is not the end.
It's a good reminder. And click the bell. Nagmamadali ang Kenneth, guys. 3 minutes pa lang ang video natin. Yes.
No, this is the click the bell.
Hindi muna. Pwede naman.
Click the bell.
It's okay. It's okay.
The bell.
Kailangan namin mag-check out ng dito. Till 12, Dad, nakita ko. Oo.
For young
Mag-check out tayo ng 12.
I got here.
Kasi lilipat tayo ng ibang hotel. Yung may swimming pool para mag-enjoy yung mga bata. Pwede nang ganun, anak. Dito na lang, sa gitna. Para kang batang 90s yung sa gitna. Tapos clam. Yes. Like that.
Here,
Oh.
the other one.
Yes, I can put 2. Yes. Oh, di ba? Para kang batang 90s. Ang aga yata natin, guys. Wala pang nandito. Maganda yung restaurant nila, oh. Malinis. Come on, Zoe. Wala, una talaga tayo, guys, sa breakfast.
What side the ears?
Yeah. Una tayo, guys. Ikutin muna natin anong meron. Nay, that's too fruit. Coffee. Ang ganda ng ano nila, setup nila. Mga ano ito, milk, yogurt, smoothie. Oh, ang ganda ng lalagyan niya, guys. Oh. Kiwi lemon smoothie. Guava melon. Wow. Maaga tayo yata. Tayo pinakauna. Meron ng dalawa pa. And then dito may mga palaman. Tuna, salmon. May ano din, prutas. Mga sausage. This one is their cereal area. Ay, hindi, jam. Jam pala ito. Oh. Mga jam, mga palaman. Okay. Mga spread. Ay, social. Meron din silang ano, oh, para sa may mga gluten, ano, allergy. Gluten free. Ito ang cereal. Maano ito? Maganda yung mga maliliit nila na palaman. Oh. Yung typical na palaman. Hakaslak. May yogurt machine din sila, guys. Oh, they have pancake, Zoe. You have to do it. Oh, social. Ito yung yogurt nga nila. Tapos, honey. Tapos, meron silang pancake machine. Ang ganda, guys. Mag-ano ka lang. Pindutin mo lang yung okay. Try nga natin. Tapos, shala, oh. Lulutuin muna niya. Galing. Na-amaze naman ako. And then, hintayin natin. Shall we will pana cook? Shall we will pana cook? It will come out.
Okay, Madi.
Look at that.
Okay, dumatalog.
Ayun na, guys. Flat na siya and pretty. Ang galing. Ngayon pala ako nakakita ng ganyan. Na-amaze na naman tayo for today's video. Hindi, mga tinatinapay dito. Meron silang croissant na meron ng jam. Caramel ito. Ayan, cinnamon. Cinnamon croissant. Chocolate croissant. Ano kinuha niya? Iba't ibang tinapay pa. Kunin natin itong pancake na ginawa. Mainit-init pa. Para kay Kenneth. Tapos, kuha natin siya ng itlog. Meron ding ano dito. Buti wala pang taon una tayo. Naka-vlog tayo. Hotdog at saka bacon. Onion, paprika, at saka ano yan, mushroom. Hindi maano yung vlog natin. And then dito, omelette. Kain, guys. Anong gusto niya? May ano tayo, brown bread, sausage, yung mushroom, sibuyas, bell pepper, tsaka itlog. Kain. Angan.
Yogurt.
And what do you have there?
I got
What do you have?
apple
Mhm.
and yogurt and almond.
Okay. Laka?
And I have no.
You don't have milk.
No. I got milk and also
Where's your egg? Yung egg niya finish na.
and oat.
Eat well. It's makalak, Zoe. It's makalak, Daddy.
It is the next day.
Really? I'm happy. You feel that way. I-share ko lang sa inyo itong ano nila.
So,
Lagyan nila ng jam. Apa ng ano, ice cream. Ang galing. So, after mo inano, ginamit yung jam. Pwede mong kainin yung apa, di ba? Napaka-sustainable. Hindi mo kailangan ng plastic. Kain guys, kain. Nagbanding ang magtatay doon sa pagkuha ng jam. Sila lang kasi dyan, oh. Kaya nakaka-vlog ako. Wala mang tao. Tayo lang. Ang sweet talaga nila mag-ama. Sila talaga yung super close. First eight. Mike, drink. Super happy ang dalaga natin ba? I'm so happy. Ang ganda din ng ano niya, ng gising niya. Ay, nako. Kaya gustong-gusto din ang bag ng ate. Tapos na tayo nag-breakfast, guys. At pinalitan ko na ang binata kasi nag-iwan ng marka dito sa hotel. Pupunta na tayo. Naiwan siya pa ng ano, Dad. Yan ang ano niya, Dad, souvenir. Okay na ang palip gloss natin for today. Nandun yung wax mo na sa ano, sa auto. Ay. Mahaba na naman yung hair niya pa. Ano natin. So, ready na siya for the summer. How about mommy?
You did that already. You did that already. With the
How about more? Let me see, Kenneth. Let me see the lip gloss. Uy, nauntog. Let me see the lip gloss. Wow! Pugi naman. Uy, wow! Ako po si
ha.
ha, Kenneth.
Mommy.
Ay, Kenneth. Ako po si Kenneth.
Mommy.
Hindi! How old are you?
3.
Three. Tatlo. Sabi ko, tatlo. Tatlo. Isa, dalawa, tatlo, apat, lima, anim, pito, walo, siyam, sampu! Yay! Galing! Mag-check out na tayo. Ah? Hindi pa. Kasi, kaya kami lilipat ng hotel kasi yung pupuntahan naming parang... Apo. Mamaya po. Opo. Katapos po natin doon sa amusement park. Hindi pa ngayon. Punta muna tayo doon sa amusement park. Yes, we go to the park first for you to play and then we go to the other hotel. Yeah?
Yes.
Is that a good idea?
This update hotel.
Is that a good idea?
Yes.
Yes. Kasi ngayong ano namin lilipatan ng hotel, mas malapit doon sa sila maglalaro. Next gala natin, dito tayo sa the Codfish. Goldfish, ano? Cod is gold. Goldfish. Let's go. Are you ready? Here's the park, Zoe. Where do you wanna go? Yes, there's a...
Okay, there's a Darbina.
Mm-hmm.
And the
Mm-hmm.
Maar niet naar buiten.
Waarom?
Ik wil een keertje
May labas siya, may...
een helikopter.
Mhm.
Dat wil ik.
Plattegrond ook, daddy.
Nee, Daddy.
No, nog één. Dankjewel.
Dankjewel.
Nou, we gaan.
Bij die helikopter.
Helikopter? Wow! Wat willen jullie? Trampoline, Kendar? Sa labas muna tayo. Yeah, come on. What will you? Wala masyadong ano, oh. Ganap. Ay, I mean, wala masyadong tao. Trampoline. Okay. Okay tayo dyan. Yeah, skuna out. Ikaw, Ken, saan mo gusto? Kenneth, doon daw. Makaluwang niya. Maluwang ang area. Ito yung pinuntahan natin noong nag-kite festival. Yan yon, yung sa ano niya ito, yung sa likod niya. Wow! Naman! Wow! Skuna out! Hanggang ano lang siya, 60 kilos, hindi ako pwede dyan. 60 kilos lang. Ken, give that to me, Ken. Ken. Amin lang ano. Hindi. Yung nakuhang keychain sa hotel, ayaw niyang bitawan. Ang ganda kasi meron silang ganyan, oh, may mga patubig-tubig pang summer. Eh medyo malamig ang weather today. Hindi naman sobrang lamig, pero medyo ano, chilly. Miskin. Ikutin natin, baka may magustuhan ka. Yun, pwede siyang mag-ano doon, maglakad doon sa tubig. May bridge na maliit. Maganda. Pwede rin siguro mag-swimming yung mga bata dito. Hello, Brandweman. Hello, John. Uy, ako din. Tayo lahat. Meron pa doon ang lawak niya. Hold properly. Yamak veloklaya. Woo! Mahilo yan mamayang konti, Dad. Oh, stop na. It's so hard. Woohoo! Oh no. Kabait naman ng ate. Talagang hawakan niya ang laling niya. Oh, Dash, ano nak, oh, yung maliit na skomo. Ganda sana ng mga to, oh. Ah, sarado din sila. Bakit daw? Ah, okay. Wala naman na, oh. Ah, may ano siya, green algae.
Dit is a bridge.
Oh, sayang.
Dit is just a bridge.
Yes, but sayang nak, may algae daw, hindi ka pwede. Eh, yung boat na lang. Okay, we can ride the boat, I guess. Mag-boat ride muna tayo, guys, bago tayo pasok sa loob. Ayan yung indoor playground nila. Pasok tayo kasi parang uulan na. Dakron. Yan, kron na lang. Nee, de blauw is bezet, anak. De mag niet. Hindi pwede. Oh. Pasok na ikaw. After 30 minutes. Hindi pa tayo nakakaalis, guys. Okay, nakuha mo na. Diyos ko. Nakaalis na lahat yung mga kasama natin, guys. Backwards ka muna kaya? Backwards. Okay.
En ik was hier zitten.
Why?
Want ik
Nandito naman ako, no? Hindi naman siya mahulog. Hawak ko yung tsinelas niya. Mabisyo eh. Siya daw yung Are you the captain of the ship?
Yes.
Yes. Let's go, Captain.
And I get up and try.
Ang sarap siguro dito kapag medyo maaraw. Hold mommy, Ken, ha? Just hold mommy.
I did to pet my foot.
Yes. Ik ben bij je voet. Konti pa na, konti pang pagpapedal. Makakarating din tayo.
I already here.
Do you like it there, Ken?
Yeah.
Yes? You like it so much?
I like it. There balls, but
Naghalo na yung Dutch niya tsaka yung English niya. Wow, nakuha na ng driver natin. Parang hindi nahirapan kanina. Nakuha na ni Daddy.
what's my fun?
What is that? We're almost there.
I'll leave my
Akala ko lalakas yung ulan kaya nilagyan ko sila ng kapote. Hindi naman pala lumakas. So, makapasok na tayo sa loob. Sakto itong pinili naming palaruanan ng bata. May labas tsaka sa loob. Kaya, handy.